So, Dreamina AI just launched their most advanced model yet, powered by Seedance 1.0, and listen, it might just be the ultimate free alternative to VO3. It's clean, cinematic, and shockingly free. Whether you want to go from text to video, image to video, or even create an AI avatar, this tool might change your entire content game. I'm going to show you how to use it even if it's not available in your country, and test out some crazy cool prompts to push this thing to its limits. Stick around, this might just replace VO3 without costing you a dime. Okay, here's the thing. Dreamina AI's best features like AI video, avatars, and motion mimic may be region-locked. If you're like me and lucky enough to be in a country where it's fully available, great. But if not, no worries. All you need is Proton VPN, or any good VPN you have. Just connect to a US server, then refresh the page. Boom! Full features unlocked. AI image, AI video, and AI avatar. And guess what? Even with a free account, you can generate 10-second HD videos, no credits, no tricks. Dreamina AI gives you access to video models 3.0 and 3.0 Pro. I'll be using the 3.0 model because we're keeping it fully free. You can generate in different aspect ratios, 1:1, 9:16, 16:9, all capped at 10 seconds for now. But trust me, the quality? Insane. Let's test it with a powerful cinematic prompt. A mysterious wanderer in a futuristic city walks through glowing neon streets as flying cars zoom past. Rain gently falls, reflecting lights on the sidewalk. The camera slowly pans upward to reveal towering skyscrapers above. Just look at this. That lighting, the motion, is giving sci-fi movie vibes on zero budget. The facial motion and detail are way beyond what I expected for a free tool. Now let's try image to video. I uploaded a reference of a woman sipping coffee in a cozy indoor cafe, which I also generated using this tool for free. All I did was to use the prompt for the video generation on the text-to-image generation section to get the exact image description. And you can see the 4 different images it generated, which is absolute high quality and cool. So I will pick this one and then use it as reference on the image-to-video feature. Then I added this prompt. She sits by a window as golden morning light hits her face. A smile forms as she gently lifts her coffee. Soft jazz music plays in the background as the scene fades. The results? Amazing. Smooth transitions, consistent character design, and that natural movement. Dreamina isn't just good. It's scary good. Okay, let's test the AI avatar feature. And I will be using this avatar portrait I created in ChatGPT for this. I uploaded a portrait. Here, you can either upload an already recorded voiceover or use the text-to-speech feature to generate your voiceover, and by the way, it sounds very clean and real, better than most text-to-speech tools out there. Entered a simple line of dialogue, "We are the architects of tomorrow," and selected a voice from the built-in TTS.
We are the architects of tomorrow. Let us rise and build a new future together.
We are the architects of tomorrow. Let us rise and build a new future together.
We are the architects of
We are the architects of tomorrow.
Or you can upload your own. You can even integrate 11 Labs V3 for hyperrealistic speech.
We are the architects of tomorrow. We are the architects of tomorrow. Let us rise and build a new future together. We are the architects of tomorrow. Let us rise and build a new future together.
The lip sync? Actually nuts. I've used a lot of AI avatar tools, and this one might be better than Kling AI. And yes, it's free. This text-to-image section also offer additional tools like upscale, retouch, extend, in-paint, remove, edit again, regenerate, edit on canvas, and generate video, for which makes it stand out. Let's push this further with a more narrative-driven scene. An elderly man stands on a cliff at sunset, holding a photograph. The ocean roars below as wind catches his coat. He whispers something inaudible and lets the photo drift into the sea. Cinematic shot, lens flare, emotional expression. Look at this. It captured the emotion, the wind effect, the lighting, even the subtle hand movement. Now, the big question, can Dreamina AI, Seedance 1.0, replace VO3 for free? Honestly, for most creators, yes. Unless you're working on big studio projects, Dreamina does the job, text to video, image to video, avatars, and all with zero cost. It's not just a tool, it's a creative engine. Use it now while it's still free. Who knows when they'll lock it behind a paywall? Like what you saw. Drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and tell me in the comments what prompt I should try next. And if you need help with VPN setup or prompt ideas, join my Discord. This is your boy Xerox AI signing off. See you in the next one.